Hi guys, welcome to another video. I am so excited. I have something to unbox with you guys. Now, I did say in my previous video that I was not going to buy anything before I went to New York because I was saving for New York. Well, I lied. I have found an amazing bag and I have never bought from this brand before. And I am sorry, but I think I'm a little bit obsessed. I'm going to explain all and you will understand. This is amazing. This bag is, anyway, let's get it open. So this brand has never ever been on my radar. It's never even entered my stratosphere. But I did come across it and I'll explain all when I've opened it. And when I saw this in the flesh and I saw the price of this bag, it was just one of those I just couldn't say no. Let's get it open and then I will explain all. And can I just say, just have a look at this packaging. It is absolutely beautiful and it is Fairfax and Favour. It's Fairfax and Favour and honestly I can't get it all in the shop, but I have to say the packaging of this, it's beautifully done. So this is, I'm losing it all. This is the box that it comes in and honestly, can we just give a moment for all the packaging? It is beautifully done and for the price of this bag, that is one of the best packaging ever, honestly. So here we are and let's get into this. Open it up. Oh my goodness, I can't get into it. Let's get into it. You see, it's beautifully wrapped and then it comes in a gorgeous dust bag. Let's get rid of, drop it. Let's get rid of this. Again, a beautiful dust bag. The attention to detail, guys, on this. Any idea what colour I might have gone for or what type of bag? Just look at this. Just look at this. It is absolutely, it's so tactile. I was saying in a different video that I just love different textures and I was looking for a velvety suede bag. This is navy. Who knew? Navy suede, and it is just, honestly, I could just stroke it. And what I like, it's got the logo, but it's not in your face. It's obviously in a self colour, so you can see it in the lights, but yeah, you really can't see it. So let's get into it because I want to explain why I bought. Honestly, I just want to stroke it. I just love it. So it's got the little D-rings here. It's got let me just show you. It's got some leather trim here, and then you can see it is a zipper. We love a zipper, don't we? And it has a strap, and it's honestly the way this is packaged is honestly. Let's just get all of this out. And then inside, hopefully you can see it's got a slip pocket here, it's got a zipper here. It's, I don't know if this is showing because it's so dark inside, but it's got a slip pocket, it's got a zipper, and it's got a leather trim, and it is absolutely beautiful. The size of this is perfection. I'm just saying, it is absolute perfection. Let me show you the strap. Now, I quite like the strap. It's not my favourite in the whole world, I'm not going to lie, but I will show you. So this is the strap, and actually the more I look at it, the more I actually do like it. So it is a fabric guitar strap, and I have banged on so long, haven't I, guys, about having straps that I really like, that are the right length, that are comfortable, that aren't glaring, or you know, like the leather straps are just not that comfortable, the wide ones. I don't like the look of them, but I like the fabric ones. They're comfortable, they're pliable, they're light. Now, I would not go for a stripe generally, but look at the colours in this. They're all colours I love, and also they're not too in your face. They are, yeah, they're quite subtle. And yeah, they've got the little D-rings here, and it's fully adjustable. Yay! So why did I buy this bag? Well, let me explain. So I live in the north of England, and every year there is a show in the great county of Yorkshire, and it is called the Great Yorkshire Show. And you guys may have never heard of it. Anyway, it's a massive show that happens every year. It's an agricultural show, but it encompasses so much. Anyway, it is an absolute tradition. So off we go to the Yorkshire Show, and there are so many stalls, and oh, it's just wonderful. It really is. And of course there's a Fairfax and Favours stall, so I had to have a look because some of their clothing looked quite nice, blah blah blah. And I just saw this and I thought, wow, so this is an in-between size of the Hermes Evelyn. That's where my brain went immediately. It went, this is very similar, but then it's different. And I love that. It's not trying to be an Evelyn. I've no idea which came first. I've no idea how long this has been in production. But that messenger bag style, I have looked at the Hermes Evelyn so many times. And I think I've mentioned it on here before. I think the TPM is tiny. I think it's like 16 centimetres or something. It's tiny and you can't hardly fit anything in it. And then the 29 is actually quite a big bag, and I've said so many times I wish they did an in-between size, and I think they do it on purpose so you end up wanting both. I don't know, but this is that in-between size that I've been talking about. It will fit quite a lot in, but it's not a massive big bulky heavy bag, for example. And I'm sorry, but the price of this was £275, and honestly, for a suede and leather bag that is absolutely beautifully made with the packaging, it's just, I'm not ever going to call anything a bargain because it's still a lot of money, but compared to any of these bags, even compared to Mulberry bags or Strathbury bags, maybe it's in line with some Strathbury bags, but honestly, I think some Coach bags are much more than that as well, aren't they? You guys let me know. But I just thought that this was a really interesting bag. And yes, so I tried it on at the Yorkshire Show and I wanted to take it home with me, but they didn't have any. They literally had the one that was on display, which was there for people, more of a sample, and then they would ship out to you. So it came next day delivery, and that was it, free shipping. And I am absolutely thrilled to bits. I'm absolutely thrilled to bits. So yeah, and I also thought, well, okay, so if I don't absolutely love this strap, but I actually, the more I'm looking at it, the more that I do, it's still quite subtle. I also have my Louis Vuitton strap from my Cousin bag, and I just thought that will go. So just hang fire because I'm going to go and get it. So this is my Louis Vuitton. I'll just get this the right way around. This is my Louis Vuitton guitar strap from the Cousin. So again, it's very subtle. It's got Louis Vuitton embossed, but you can't really see it. And this is the perfect crossbody length for me. And can I just say that they match perfectly? They match perfectly. So yes, if I do want to just go plain navy, I've got this one. Or I can be a little bit out there for me and wear this one. Anyway, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do some mod shots because I'm getting braver to do mod shots because I know you guys like them, and then you can see where it does sit on me, for example, so it does at least show how you can style this. And I'm sorry, but I think this may have scratched the itch of the Evelyn. We'll see, won't we? I still probably want one at some point, but I thought this was a fabulous buy, and we'll see. And also because of the price, it's not that I'm going to go throwing it around and everything else, and it is suede, so it needs looking after, but I think this is the sort of bag, the more that you actually use it, the better the suede looks. It looks good being that little bit more worn, and I'm not going to worry about it as much as some of these expensive bags, so it will be a welcome addition. They also do this in a beautiful, and I'm not kidding, I don't normally say this, but in a beautiful tan shade. Now, I generally don't like browns and tans, but there's something about this one. The tan is a really lovely colour, and it was slightly tempting because obviously I do have a couple of navy bags now, and I did think, I know this isn't the same as the Curzon, but it's sort of a crossbody bag in navy, so I did think maybe I should get tan. And anyway, I went with my heart and I got the blue. But if any of you guys are interested, I will link them all below because they're just beautiful. I think there was also one the same style, but I think it was in more of a linen-y, I don't know the material, but it wasn't a suede, so maybe have a look at that one. That was more, the logo's more obvious on that one. They also had some little, my friend actually bought this other one. I'll put a picture up here, and again I was tempted with that one, but how many top handle bags? Anyway, we've gone beyond what we actually need, haven't we? But that was really, really nice, and that came in lots of different colours. So yeah, my eyes have been open to Fairfax and Favour. Who knew? I'm not turning into a country bumpkin. I'm not, because I'm very much a town girl, I think I'm a city girl. But yeah, I think this, I can just, again, I always say this, but some jeans, white shirt, and this, or even just with what I'm wearing today. I'm just wearing a black t-shirt from Zara and some jeans, and I just think it's a casual look. I think in the winter it'll be fabulous because it's that sort of warm looking suede, but I think I can wear this anytime. I think it's absolutely brilliant. So let me know what you guys think. And for you guys that say that, you know, us luxury YouTubers only buy luxury, and therefore when we're showing you something that's more contemporary or at a lower price point, that we're only doing it for a collaboration, for example. No, we all, I'm not saying everybody, but me personally, I know I love a different mix of all different things, different price points, different, just use them for different reasons. So I love discovering different brands. So yeah, this is nothing to do with the collaboration. I wish it's nothing to do with the collaboration at all. This is just something I saw, loved, and just thought, yes, please, I will have that. So I want to know what you guys think. I will leave you with some mod shots. I might have put some in already. I'd like to know what you guys think. Just showing you another close-up of it. It's honestly, I could stroke it all day long. I really could stroke it all day long. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on another one.